Jasper Ellen posted that, fun fact, the drone has a camera sensor on top, but also on the bottom. And since the battery is above, I hope they also added a light underneath. Cheers. The leaked image offers an early look at the upcoming DJI Neo 2, a compact drone wrapped loosely in a transparent poly bag, suggesting it's a prototype or pre-production unit. The Neo 2 features a sleek, matte gray body with an integrated propeller guard design, surrounding its 4 rotors in a symmetrical, lightweight frame. This protective setup hints at DJI's focus on durability and indoor flight safety. At the center, the DJI logo is clearly printed, and just above it sits a power button with 4 LED indicators, likely used for battery level display. A small sensor is visible on the underside, supporting Jasper Ellen's comment about dual sensors placed on both the top and bottom. The top section seems to house the primary camera and battery unit, providing a clean, aerodynamic layout. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 looks like a versatile and well-balanced drone, engineered for stable flights in tight spaces, offering safety-focused innovation while maintaining DJI's signature, premium build, and minimalist aesthetic. Here's a comparison of the specs between the DJI Neo and the upcoming Neo 2, based on current leaks. Sensor camera. The DJI Neo features a half-inch sensor capturing 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, with a 14mm f2.8 lens. The rumored Neo 2 upgrades to a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, offering better low-light performance, 4K at 60 frames per second, and potential 10-bit HDR video support. Battery and flight time. The DJI Neo features a 1,435 mAh battery, offering around 18 minutes of flight. The leaked Neo 2 reportedly upgrades to a 1,606 mAh pack, about 12% larger, delivering an extended flight time of approximately 20 to 25 minutes under optimal flying conditions. Size, weight, portability. The DJI Neo weighs around 135 grams with dimensions of 130 by 157 by 48.5 millimeters. The upcoming Neo 2 is rumored to stay under 250 grams, maintaining a compact form while introducing an improved propeller guard design for enhanced safety and durability. Other notable features and safety. The DJI Neo includes built-in propeller guards, downward sensors, and stabilization through EIS and a mechanical gimbal. The rumored Neo 2 enhances this with dual-layer guards, improved hybrid stabilization, stronger wind resistance, and upgraded transmission range for more stable, reliable flight performance. In short, the Neo 2 appears to offer incremental but meaningful upgrades over the original Neo, notably in the sensor, video capability, 4K at 60 frames per second, slightly longer flight time, and enhanced safety features, while preserving the ultralight, compact footprint that made the Neo appealing. Ellen pointed out what many missed. Some say the DJI Neo 2 will feature a 1/1.3-inch sensor, but take a closer look at its arms. On the right, there appears to be a LiDAR sender and receiver, while the left side seems to house a small display that could show follow me modes. What's your take? If true, this would make the Neo 2 the smartest mini DJI has ever built. And DJI isn't just banking on looks. The Neo 2 is said to be fully compatible with DJI Goggles N3, a huge leap for immersive FPV flying. For existing DJI users, this means the chance to grab a cheaper combo version without repurchasing accessories. Even older Neo drones can still sync via smartphone, keeping the experience connected and shareable. Let's start with the bad news. The new improved battery comes at twice the price. The DJI Neo 2 Intelligent Flight Battery now costs $129, previously $59. The DJI Neo 2 two-way charging hub is $79. The DJI Neo 2 propellers are $39. The DJI Neo 2 propeller guard is $49. The DJI Neo 2 digital transceiver is $59. The DJI Care Refresh 1-year plan is $28, and the 2-year plan is $48. All eyes are now on October 30, 2025, when DJI is expected to officially unveil the Neo 2. Rumor has it, this might be the last drone to get FCC certification under the current administration, making it not just a release, but a turning point for DJI's future. Let's talk about other specs. The DJI Neo 2 just got a massive twist, and it's not just another firmware upgrade. This time, DJI is introducing something entirely new, a detachable external transceiver module. Yep, the Neo 2 features a sleek plug-in design that connects via USB-C on the back of the drone, allowing it to unlock powerful new capabilities. This external module is far more than just an add-on. It's a game changer for the DJI Neo 2. By enabling OcuSync support, likely OcuSync 4, it gives the drone a huge leap in connectivity and performance. Expect longer range, reduced latency, and a rock-solid video transmission compared to the standard built-in Wi-Fi. With this powerful upgrade, pilots can now pair the Neo 2 with DJI Goggles N3, motion controllers, and professional-grade remotes, unlocking an immersive and responsive flight experience. It's a bold step that turns the compact Neo 2 into a serious contender for both hobbyists and pros. It's also a smart move from DJI. Instead of locking users into expensive hardware tiers, the modular design lets pilots upgrade their gear without replacing the whole drone. It's flexible, future-proof, and surprisingly budget-friendly. For under $250, DJI is bringing pro-level features like gesture and voice control, upgraded flight time, and direct charging to the ultra-lightweight drone category. If you love affordable, travel-friendly drones, this might just be your next must-have gadget. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below with your first impressions. I'd love to hear what you think about this sleek new DJI release. Now, let's break it down. The DJI Neo 2 is designed for solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners who want smooth, cinematic shots without lugging around heavy gear. The design keeps its ultra-portable identity, weighing in at just 135 grams, lighter than most smartphones. Yet, it looks and feels far more capable than its predecessor. According to early leaks and images shared by Igor Bogdanov, the Neo 2 maintains a familiar look, but with noticeable refinements. One of the biggest visual upgrades is the addition of new omnidirectional sensors, now visible on both the front and rear sides. These sensors enhance obstacle detection and stability, giving users a safer, smarter flying experience. The most noticeable visual upgrade on the DJI Neo 2 is the addition of new omnidirectional sensors on the front. This marks a major improvement over the first Neo's limited obstacle detection system. The updated setup provides greater environmental awareness, helping the drone navigate tight spaces and avoid collisions even in complex flight paths. However, given the Neo 2's lightweight sub-250-gram design, they're more likely advanced optical or infrared sensors rather than true LiDAR. On the rear, a redesigned digital transmission receiver and antenna system powered by DJI's OcuSync 4 technology ensures a stronger, more stable connection, ideal for FPV goggles and wireless controllers. With smoother real-time transmission and improved control, the DJI Neo 2 strikes a perfect balance between portability, performance, and safety for both new and experienced pilots. When it comes to visuals, the camera system has taken a major leap forward. The Neo 2 can now shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of the original Neo. Add 10-bit HDR and D-Log-M color profiles to the mix, and you've got a compact drone capable of delivering professional-grade footage. It runs on a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 13.5 EV stops of dynamic range, ensuring crisp detail, rich colors, and balanced exposure, even in tricky lighting conditions. The gimbal has also been upgraded from a single-axis to a two-axis stabilization system, offering noticeably smoother footage during flight. Combine that with smart features like auto return home, object tracking, and gesture/voice control, and you're looking at one of the smartest compact drones DJI has ever made. Battery life has improved too, now offering up to 19 minutes of flight time, while still keeping the drone lightweight. Another win? Direct charging support. You can now charge it straight via cable, no bulky hub required. Pricing is refreshingly simple and budget-friendly. The Fly Solo bundle priced at $229, the Creator Combo at $299, the FPV Starter Pack at $399, and the Fly More Kit at $449. And since it's a sub-249-gram drone, you won't need to register it with the FAA in most regions. That makes it perfect for travelers and hobbyists who want to skip the paperwork and start flying right away. So, mark your calendars for October 30th. DJI's Compact King is almost here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most value-packed drones of 2025. Now it's your turn. Will you be buying the DJI Neo 2 when it drops, or are you already flying a different drone? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.